What is good, y'all? John D. Saunders here. This video has come highly requested. Folks are asking how we're using an operating system in Notion to run our entire agency. We do design, development, and everything in between. So let me dive into my computer and show you how we use OpSys. So before I dive in, y'all, I do want to tell you a little bit. This is a tool released by the Futur, pretty much manned by a guy named Ben Burns, who works at an amazing studio in California. Now, he's built out an amazing tool here called OpSys, and it essentially lets you run an operating system for your agency. You can check out SOPs, the projects you have up and coming, and so much more. So I'm gonna show you a live demo of the tool. I'll post a link. This is not paid. I'm doing this because we use the tool and I've been using it for about 3 months and have absolutely fell in love with it. Let's dive into my computer, let's check it out, and stay tuned. Longest time we used a platform for our project management called Asana. Now, about 3 months ago, we migrated to this new platform via Notion. We use Notion for a lot of the things that we do within the agency. Think of it as Google Sheets, Google Docs, basically everything that you would need for a workspace in one central location. Notion is great. It provides everything that you need to grow your business and just does a really phenomenal job of condensing everything into one place. Before we're using Google Drive and Asana and all these other tools, Notion has allowed us to create an operating system within its platform to run our agency. And it just works phenomenally well, especially sharing with our team, design docs, engineering wiki, meeting notes, website publishing. I mean, everything is here, y'all. So just to show you what we've done is we found out about this tool called OpSys by an amazing founder and creative director over at the Futur, which is an agency or company that creates digital products for like freelancers and agency owners. They came out with OpSys, and it's essentially everything you need in one. And guys, this is not a sales pitch. I literally purchased this myself and loved it so much that I wanted to share with you and others out there that are thinking about migrating to a platform like this. So you're able to manage all your creative projects. You can track your deals through the deal pipeline. You can optimize your content creation process. You can store documents, all built native in Notion. So think of this as a main hub for you and your team to access everything you need to get the job done. They have training videos and content on learning it. It does have a learning curve, but it's not that steep at all. But man, you can create a knowledge base, you have webinars, you have all this really cool stuff. So I wanna show you a quick eye or look in ours. Any like client or important things will be blurred out, but ultimately I wanted to show y'all what this platform looks like in real time. So here's the main dashboard. As you can see, it's built in Notion. We have a dashboard header here. I can also send these templates too. If anyone drops a comment below, I'll go ahead and drop that link in Figma for that as well. So I can see my tasks that I have due today. I have ones that are up and coming, and then I have things that are overdue as well. It gives you a brief overview. Then I have like my projects, goals, objectives, and key results, and then any content that I have via social media. Now at the top left, I can look at any tasks I have, but mostly I spend a lot of time in projects. And the way we've segmented this is, and again, this is completely customizable. As a web design and branding agency, we have these different tabs, and then we have all of our projects within these tabs. So if you click one, for example, it'll show you that project, it'll show you kind of all the due dates and information. It'll show you any comments the team has left regarding this project. And then below that, you'll have all the project tasks and who they're assigned to. So it just does a phenomenal job of breaking this down. Now I can see what's done, what's being worked on, what hasn't been started, and who it's assigned to as well. And then that's segmented that individual's landing page where they can see all the projects that are due. Now if I go back to projects, I can see I have data design, illustration, sitemap. So we walked our clients through this process all the way to Q&A, which is quality assurance, to get the project completed. And we walked through that process pretty easily and efficiently. Now, what OpSys also has is goals, right? So internal goals, it has people, which are profiles of all of our clients and folks that we've worked with. It has their emails, the client name. It even has landing pages and notes regarding those individuals as well. Just really, really well done here. Also SOPs, which is really cool. So you have all your standard operating procedures organized in a knowledge library where I can click this and I can get the details for this SOP specific to the project that's being worked on. Also, if I scroll down a little bit more, I can look at our content, email templates that we send out to clients essentially, which is via our CRM. And then we also have our mission, press, illustration briefs, and more links that we've added in here. So every day I jump in here, I see what projects are being worked on. I can click here and see all the notifications and updates based on projects. And OpSys has really changed our agency for the better by organizing everything into one area. Now, one crazy part about this is we have a dashboard, right? But then you also have an admin side. And on the admin side, you can see the deal pipeline, you can see the team roster, which I don't want to show any details specific to these. You can check out OpSys on your own time to see that in detail. But ultimately, you have everything on the back end as well. So if I click deal pipeline, I can see the leads that have been generated. I can see the ones that are in meetings, when with proposals sent, and then I can see contracts sent. Then I can also see the ones that we've closed, lost, or delayed. If I hit performance per year, I can see items that have closed in the last few months, how much, and more details regarding that project. Then I can look at performance even back to last month, what's been lost, what we found, and what we were able to capture as well. It just does a great job of organizing everything really well and easy for us to see it out of a bird's eye view. Only myself and one other team member have access to this side of the admin part of the dashboard. So again, you have the main dashboard and you have the admin dashboard. Again, y'all, check out OpSys. It's just a really, really great tool and just does a phenomenal job of breaking it down and bringing everything into one central hub. Thank you all for checking out the content. As always, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below with any questions. See y'all next week. Peace.